Imagine your wife, your partner where you live with, cancel your visa behind your back and don't even come in your face and tell you, say, yo, them are going to do this to you.
What's up, beautiful and amazing souls? So in today's video, we are going to talk about three main things. And that is to discuss about this particular young man whose wife cancelled his visa. Oh, how will you feel if you went through that? I don't want to judge so much, but I'm going to come back with a detailed analysis. Another thing, we are going to talk about what the Prime Minister of Jamaica thinks about LGBTQ. Okay, I hope you understood that part. And then number three, we talk about Cuban doctors. Why do we see them in Africa? And then recently, oh my God, it happens that they're also in Jamaica. So those are the main things that we're going to talk about in our video. So I think it will be okay if we listen to these videos and then I come back and do a detailed analysis. Without further much ado, let's jump into this video. So listen and come back.
I just get to understand the American government is threatening to sanction countries who use Cuban doctors and nurses. And I was very shocked to learn that Jamaica used Cuban doctors and nurses. For real, I mean, sorry, I am very shocked. I mean, over 400 Cuban doctors and nurses, biomedical engineers and technicians from Cuba in Jamaica. I am very shocked because I did not know that the Jamaica Labour Party deal with Cubans, much less Cuba. I did not know. Forgive me, Jamaica, I just did not know. Like I said, I did not know that the Jamaica Labour Party deal with Cuba. See me? Because about 50 years ago, Jamaica was sanctioned for the same shit. See? 50 years ago, Michael Manley was the Prime Minister of Jamaica and he was friends with Cuba, Fidel Castro. See? Cuba built schools in Jamaica. See me? Let me see. I can name two of the school them. GC Foster and Jose Marti. See? Cubans built that. See? Michael Manley was also using Cuban doctors and nurses. See? The opposition leader at the time, Edward Siaga, was always saying Michael Manley wants to turn Jamaica into a communist country because he's friends with Cuba. Listen, I said, no, America did not like that too. America did not like to see Michael Manley being friends with Cuba. You see? Now, Michael Manley, on hearing that America was upset at him being friends with Cuba, said these words: I will not allow America to dictate to me about which friends I should keep. And as long as this party is in power and I am the leader, we will tread this earth on our feet and not on our knees. Meaning, we're not about to no guy. Bro God, say that if you're bad. Say that if you're bad. Saying anyway, Michael Manley paid a heavy price after that. For real. The Secret Service were sent to Jamaica on a wide scale to every parish in Jamaica to create what? Havoc. You see me? There were riots in the street. People got hungry because what? Food was locked off from Jamaica. So when we heard Papa Eddie said he was going to lock down Jamaica tighter than a sardine tin that not even breeze can pass through. You know, say he was working with America. You see me, I say? For real. There were even a few attempts on Manley's life. Yeah. So with me knowing the history, and I was there, you see why I am surprised. Seeing? But now things have come full circle again. You see me, I say? And me notice a bro God quiet your fuck. Seeing? The Prime Minister of Trinidad attack defending our people, and other Prime Ministers from other countries that defend for them people. But bro God not defend Jamaicans. I want to go on. Come on, bro God, you have to talk up and defend your people. Be like Michael, man, the youth. How we are do? Well, he must PNP, you're a labor, so you can't be like him. But anyway, defend your people, bro God. See? You're too quiet.
Against discrimination.
If me did get 10 years in a prison, would I feel much better than to wake up in a foreign country and get an email from the Home Office that my visa has been cancelled. Imagine your wife, your partner where you live with, cancel your visa behind your back and don't even come in your face and tell you, say, yo, them are going to do this to you. That means that person could have killed you and you don't even know. Look, when you get cancelled in a foreign country, you cannot travel. Even if you're out of the country, a good thing say, yo, me never out of the country. If you're out of the country, you can't travel, go nowhere. You can't see your family. You can't work. You break down mentally. You understand? You have to focus on what go on. You can suffer with depression. You can suffer with many type of things. You have to fight it. You have to try to be strong. And let me tell you this, G. Yo, that's why my pain make me stronger, G. And it's not the fastest. You have to just be faster than the slowest and try to sort out back certain things. And my dark days is gonna bring light to my future. Bro, a long time I fight this, and right now I'm forward at England, I'm forward there so to help my family them. Help the kids them. You understand? Imagine when you youth them shout and say, yo, Jassy Cole, what go on, daddy? You know some more on this for sort out. And you can't tell your kids them say, yo, nothing now go on. You have to go push out and get that for them. You see what I say? So a good thing say, yo, me have that mentality there and that courage there and that dignity there for know say, yo, here I can't stuck up, me have to go there for my own G. And the video them when me post on my social media, bro, let me tell you this, everybody will watch the video and I laugh off of my thing. Bro, let me tell you, I no emotion, bro. Me not have no emotion right now because the things them when me go through make me stronger. So you can go and laugh, you can go and talk because why? You can't walk in my shoes, bro. And that me I tell you, you hear that? And let me tell you this straight up. Anytime you're ready, you walk, you step to me. You step to me anytime. I'm show you who me is, bro. You get what me I say? Yeah. Not true, you see me on social media I speak, bro. Me I talk with me go through because it hurt me, bro. You understand? And me have to talk out. Brawling. You see me? Yeah. So, a them thing you make me stronger, charges. So people want to look out for the interview because I get the interview with my wife. She's telling you guys why she canceled the visa and why I was homeless for 9 days and now me get a place and now me I try sort out about my life. It takes a time, but it takes money as well, but I'm fighting it. I'm not sitting down, I'm pushing out there. And people, thank you very much for supporting me. Thank you for believing me. Thank you for the positive comments. Thank you for everything. And the bad mind and negative people who make me stronger. Who delusional. I don't know where to forward from. I must far, but I don't want to go that side there. Yeah, so guess what? We keep on pushing it out. You get me? I've done a music video about my struggle that I've been through at this point. Song named No Emotion. Look out for the music video. Look out for the interview as well, because I'll be putting the interview in the music video so you can see where I'm going and where it's all coming from. 100%, because when I nothing out here, a Jassy Cole attack. Believe in yourself. Remember Jassy Cole tell you that. No matter the obstacles fall in place, kick them out of your way. Show them how we do it. You understand? Believe, believe, believe. Jassy Cole said that. Sky high, up move.
So, there is one thing that I want to talk about: the Cuban doctors. What benefit do we get from them? I mean, I have never understood that fact. Why should you bring Cuban doctors probably to Kenya, to Jamaica? Because now, according to the clip that you just listened to, this guy, he says he has been there during those days and he saw how things worked. But he's really surprised that Cuban doctors have always been there, but nobody knows, except probably those that are in the hospital. I don't know how true that is, but according to him, he did not know about that. And he learned about it after President Trump threatened to sanction those countries that are working with Cuban doctors. And imagine, Kenya is one of them. Though I don't really know if they are still there, but I remember some time back, it was trending in our country. The Cuban doctors are coming to our hospitals to help, I don't know what, but what do we benefit at the end of the day? So I did my research and noticed that, I mean, this benefit, it will just be better if our government invested in healthcare system, better training, better equipment, better everything. It would be better even to bring probably experienced, lecturers to come and train our own, rather than bringing the doctors themselves. Because when the doctors come in, it means that you have to pay all of them, compared to if a lecturer comes in and then teaches universities here and there, it will have been less costly compared to doctors themselves. Because the doctors, when they come, they'll have to be posted to different hospitals around our countries. I think that's the same thing that happens to also in Jamaica at the moment. So guys, this old man, I don't know whether to call him an old man or a wise man, because I wouldn't really want him to come to my video and then he's really furious about me calling him an old man. But anyway, he's speaking a lot of sense. If the doctors are there, then it means that you don't even care about us. Anyway, I don't know what you think about that, because the only benefit that I see from my research is improved healthcare system. I don't know how now. Improved how? And then there are also when they come to Kenya or anywhere in the world, or even in Jamaica, it's just to train other people. It's like now you're going for an attachment, you're being trained or something like that. How beneficial is it to our own country? Anyway, I don't know. Me, I just know that it's costly. You have to pay them, and again, there is nothing for free. I think the Cuban government is going to benefit in some way. So kindly guys, comment down below. Tell me what you think about the Cuban doctors story, and why do you think that America is threatening to sanction? When they say sanction, it means, Jamaica is not going to do any other trade with America, and that is what the manufacturers and the exporters are scared of, because where are they going to sell their goods? Because America is the closest compared to any part of the world. Remember, they are islands, the Caribbean, all of them are just islands. So can we talk about this guy? Imagine you are married, and then, or probably your girlfriend goes abroad and then of course goes to the land of opportunities, and you follow them later on, you follow her or him later on. So of course you will have gone and probably married, you're married and all that, because in the past that used to be the trick. I don't know if it happens nowadays. Kindly let me know in the comment section. But I've known a couple of friends who have gone abroad by being invited, as if they are married to this person, to this girl, to this man, and they go, but it's fake marriage. But on this case, the guy I think the lady wanted to just invite him to go and then sort himself out, or there is so much behind this story that you're not being told. because the guy is saying that the wife cancelled the visa abruptly, unaware, like he doesn't even know what the reason was. So after your visa has been cancelled, I mean, you are restricted. You are not free, in short. And that is what this young man went through, like, for 9 good years. And I was like, okay, even if you were fearing to go back to your country, then I don't know. Anyway, I don't want to speak because as I was not in his shoes, I've never been in that shoe. So anyway, he just, I mean, at the moment, or in this particular video, he was actually an inspirational speaker trying to inspire other people that despite my visa being cancelled unaware abruptly, I actually managed to, you know, just stay calm, be patient for good 9 years, and God came through for him, and now he's doing well. So he's actually encouraging everyone that is going through something. He's telling them you need to believe in yourself, believe. And anyway, the guy is an artist. So I don't know how does it feel when, you know, your visa gets cancelled and you're abroad? Because for me, okay, as much as I believe that abroad, probably developed countries, they're a land of opportunities, I see most people are like, I prefer life better at home compared to abroad, because abroad there is no socialization. You know, me personally, I can decide to just wake up from this seat, go look for my friends, say hello in their houses, stay with them till in the evening. But in these developed countries, there is nothing like socialization, greeting each other on the streets. I don't know how true that is, but you know, we hear a lot of stories about that. Like, you can even stay for like 1 year without seeing your neighbor, or you just pass each other and you don't talk. Is that true? I don't know how true that is, but I find it to be like overwhelming and it's really difficult to adjust to that kind of life. That's why for me, I've never had an American dream, a Canadian dream. If it's going somewhere, I just want to go and come back. I mean, life in Africa, I would say, is the best. As much as it's difficult, I mean, it's one of the best, because if you don't have food, your neighbor can help you. I mean, there is that support system. And also, homelessness is not something that is really common here. If you find somebody that is homeless, probably they have mental issues. If you find somebody that is homeless, mental issues. And then if you find somebody that is homeless in America, probably it's because of the cost of rent, you know. So I can see my battery is going down. I hope, let's meet in the next video, then we discuss more.